Hello viewers, this is a story from the Standard newspaper dated 16th January 2026. State files new murder charges against Sanna Manjang. The High Court in Banjul yesterday arraigned former jungler Sanna Manjang on new murder charges, the killing of Kajali Jame and Sambawuri. This is a change from the initial charges he faced at the Kanifing Magistrate Court on December 3rd, where he was accused of murdering Daida Haidara, Haruna Jame and Dongombub. During yesterday's proceedings, Deputy DPP E.R. Ndongan, P. Gomez, F. Drame, M. Jame and A. Baji represented the state, while counsel S.K. Job and F. Jame appeared for the accused. Justice C.D.K. Jabate informed the court that the matter was for plea taking and the clerk was ordered to read the bill of indictment to the accused. The charges were read to Sanna Manjang, alleging that he murdered Kajali Jame alias Lekok by cutting his neck with a knife with malice aforethought and Sambawuri by stabbing him in the chest with a knife. However, counsel S.K. Job objected the bill of indictment, arguing that the criminal code under which the charges were brought had been repealed by Section 344 of the Criminal Offence Act 2025. He argued that the repealed law could not ground the present prosecution, rendering the charges incompetent. State Counsel E.R. Dugan countered that the alleged crimes were committed in 2006 and it was right for the state to charge the accused under the criminal code. She argued that the new Criminal Procedure Act could not take effect immediately and urged the court to disregard the defense counsel's application. The presiding judge, Justice S.K. Jabate, ruled that the repeal of the criminal code did not invalidate prosecution for offences committed prior to the commencement of the Criminal Offences Act 2025. He cited Section 21C of the Act, which saves acts committed before the commencement of the Act and protects accused persons from retrospective prosecution. Acts committed before the commencement of the Criminal Offences Act 2025 are saved. They remain governed by the repealed or previous law and not the new act, she said. The court dismissed the preliminary objection and counsel S.K. Job sought an adjournment to advise his client. Justice Jabate stood down the court for 20 minutes to allow counsel Job to consult with Sanna Manjang. When the court resumed, Sanna Manjang pleaded not guilty to the 2 counts. I am Binta Dabo Jawo and thanks for listening.